we've had a problem with the steam wagon over the weekend. There's some rust come loose in the water tank, the water storage tank. This is caused issues with the injector and the boiler water feed pump. Simply on the safe side, we've decided to tow it home with the Scammell recovery truck. This is me fucking fun at all this. I am not looking forward to this. 15 miles getting dragged. Once we get into this field, we'll not be too bad. Once we get on the road, but it's fucking wet and slippy. That's Scammell, that's Gardner power. And the steam wagon goes 12 ton empty. Never have I been so happy to see the welcoming home site to the farm where the wagon stays. That was not fun, and I haven't going to do that again.